spent 3 months on Fiverr writing proposals and cutting my prices for $10 gigs. I made almost nothing. But the month after I quit, I made more money than all those months combined. Here's exactly what I did. Fiverr is a race to the bottom. There are too many people, and the only way to win is to work for free. It's exhausting. So, I stopped competing and started building something automatic. I started using System.io. System is an all-in-one platform businesses use for email lists and sales funnels. Their affiliate program pays 40% recurring commission. This means when someone signs up for a $47 plan, you get paid every single month. Forever. Just 30 people can earn you over $500 a month passively. How do you get them? Simple. I went to YouTube, Reddit and Quora and searched for people asking how to start an online business. I answered their questions genuinely and left my link. No ads, no website, just helpful answers. On Fiverr, if you stop working, you stop earning. With this, the income compounds. The link to join for free is in the description. Subscribe now because next week I'll show you how to scale this to $2,000 a month. See you there.